Hi guys, today we're going to open two new phone cases to see which one looks better on my new phone. Let's start with number one, which is on the left. Okay, so this one is a transparent one. This is the non-transparent one, which is pink. My phone is black, so you can see the black through the transparent phone case. Okay, let's try number one on first. This is what it looks like. It looks quite nice. So if you like one more, vote one. Now let's take this off and try number two. Put it in. This is what this one looks like. If you like this one more than the previous one, then vote number two.